welcome back to my channel, The Easy Closet. You're gonna hear a lot of noise. Even if I had a mic, you will hear that noise because Ganpati preparations are in progress and people are practicing their dhol. So I can't do anything about it. Just bear with it for this video. As you must have already seen, finally I'm doing a Meesho haul. To be honest, I do not like Meesho that much, but some of their things are really great and I'm going to show them first, and the things that I did not like, I will show them later. Actually, I had a lot of hopes from it, but always the material, it's always the material of Meesho that puts me off. I do not like it, and I'd rather invest 200-300 more in the same thing and buy it from some other brand. But I will definitely share the things that I would recommend, that 100 on 100 just go and buy it. So let's get into the video. Here's everything I have. I am not proud of how I kept everything together, but I was scripting this video last night and I thought, why not just keep everything in one thing and then just take it out when you're shooting, because I don't have better organization skills. Help me. First, I'm going to start with the cutest thing that I got from Meesho. There are these two necklaces. Let me show you. First up is this plain silver chain which I got from the men's section of Meesho, and it was worth everything. This was, I think, around 200 to 300 rupees, and it came in this pair. Like, I can layer them and wear them because I really wanted some silver jewelry. These days I've been a lot into the silver jewelry, so I really wanted this simple kind of chain, and it looks really nice when you wear it. It looks really chic and classy. This is one of the things that I love. Next up is the most viral necklace from Meesho. I think you must have seen this on Instagram or on YouTube multiple times, but it is worth every penny. I think it was around 250 or 260 rupees, and I think it's completely worth it because it just completes the look, and it is a very good gold color, and it's kind of anti-tarnish as well, because I did keep it in open a lot when I was on vacation, but nothing happened to it, so I'm very happy about this one. Next are these claw clips. Viral Pinteresty claw clips. I don't think I need to say much more about them. They are very spacious as well, and look at the colors. They are so pretty. They're straight out of a Pinterest board. Do not even think twice about buying these. Of course, there was one issue. The colors that were shown on Meesho were different and the one that came were different, but the one that came were pretty as well, so I just kept them. Next up are these cute bow hair clips, and they are the prettiest thing. The material is also really good. It's not like old or anything. It's a proper thick material, like something you could get from H&M or Zara. It's that kind of material. It's good. I'm gonna try one of them, maybe the white one, because I'm wearing all black outfit. So yeah, let me see how it looks. I don't know. Tell me how it looks. I think it's quite pretty. It looks very pretty. I wore the black one already in one of the outfits and it was really good. So this was a really good purchase. I think this was around, I do not remember. I will put the price up. I think it was around 250 or 300 rupees or something. Next up are these tops, cute vest tops that I got, and you can already tell that I wore one of them. But these are really good. The material of these tops is not that great. I can tell that by 1 or 2 washes it will wear out, but the fitting is super nice. It fits me in all the right places. There is no bulges or anything that comes out when you wear this. And in certain vest tops, if you go to other brands, there are always like something showing from here and something showing from there. If you're a mid-sized person, you know what I'm talking about. But here in this, it was totally covered, and that's what I loved about this. The fitting is super nice, and actually this is my favorite color because I could not find this color anywhere, and I really wanted this kind of, I don't know what to call this, beige. It's not beige, there's another color. I'll put it on the screen maybe. And then there is this color which I do not like that much, but it will do. And of course, I had to get one black. It was actually a pair of 3 together, and it was around 200-300 rupees. Again, that's the basic price of Meesho, so yeah. This top, which when I wore, it looked really nice at first, but as I watched it again and again, it just not for me. I think, I don't know, I might do some DIY stuff with this one, like maybe cut it in the between and tie knots, and it can look like those viral Pinterest tops that we see all over Pinterest with the bow tie. Yeah, it is actually good, but it's just not my style. This one, oh my god, the fitting of this is crazy on me. Again, same thing that happened with the vest tops, is that material is not that great. I know it will wear out after 2-3 washes, but the fitting is amazing. It is not showing too much of my skin from here and there, only what I wanted to show. So that's good about this one. And I always wanted a lace kind of top, but I actually wanted it in a different color, maybe like pink, but the pink one was too pink. I don't know if you know what I mean, like it was too pink. So I went with the safe option, black, but then with time I realized that maybe it was not a safe option. I mean, this is really nice, okay? No complaints about this one. This is kind of perfect. It fits me perfectly, and these cute little bows are everything. The color is amazing. So yeah, I think it's available in pink color as well, but I wanted a different color, so I went with blue. And yeah, I can wear this a lot. If I'm at some conservative place like my hometown or something, I can wear a shirt and then underneath it and wear this on top. It will look equally cute. So yeah, I think this is a very good purchase. I would recommend to buy this one, and the quality is also really good. I don't think it will wear out after 2 or 3 washes or anything, so totally recommend this one. Next up is this. It looks really cute. I think it is something that can be worn in office or some casual thing. The material is not comfortable, I would say. Like, I am used to wearing chikankari kurtis, and those are like the real chikankari kurtis, and those are super comfortable, and this is not at all. The material is not comfortable. Maybe after a wash it will get comfortable, but it is not. But yeah, it's something definitely that I can wear easily anywhere, like in Mumbai, in Lucknow, wherever I want to be. Like, I can wear this one, and the print is okay, the print is cute, but definitely there is some issue in Meesho sizing, of course. I mean, usually my size is L and sometimes it's XL, but in tops like this it has to be L, but it was tight. I mean, tight in a weird way. It was okay over here, but it was tight on the top. You know what I mean? So I okay. Why did I not return this, you ask? Because
I did not know there was only 7 days return on Meesho, which I complained about. Like, 7 days, how can you know? Like, because 7 days goes in office, I don't even try my stuff till the weekend because I want to try it properly.
that's why I wasn't able to return the things that I did not like. Next is this one. I wanted a short kurti, and I saw a lot of people buy from Meesho, and I ordered this one in a separate color. It's okay. It's something I would wear at home, not worth. I don't know if I'll wear it outside. Yeah, maybe on those tough days, maybe I'll wear it. If I was in college, I would definitely wear it to college, but I won't wear this to office at all. I was really influenced by the people who were wearing kurtis from Meesho, so I ordered another one to check. Maybe I was making a wrong choice, so I ordered this one, and it is the worst thing that they get. The material is so bad. The print is just anything. It looks like it's worn by 10 other people already, and I sized up in this one because the other one was L, so I want XL, and now this is too loose for me. And it's just, even if I do some alterations and make it my size, it just does not give the look that I want, or that, you know, they were showing in the next up. I think this is a very cute top. I wanted something very simple, like for those days when I'm not feeling like wearing too much, and just I can throw on something and just go. The only thing I realized about this top with time is that not comfortable material. Again, it's like I don't know how to show it to you, but it's this plastic kind of material which I hate. I prefer ribbed tops like these, or simple cotton t-shirts, or just simple t-shirts will do, but tops like this, materials like this, not my vibe. Not my vibe. I wanted hairbands, cute hairbands, so I ordered them in black color, and I got every other color than black. So now this is used by my mother to tie things in kitchen. So anyway, it's getting used. Last thing is something that close your eyes and buy it. Okay, it's this bag and it was there in like 10 different colors, and I'm going to buy it in like 1 or 2 more color, like black or tan color, and it's just perfect. It's so spacious. It can fit your, yeah, there are other things here, ignore. It can fit your iPad, it can fit your college book. If you're that kind of person who only carries one book to the college, perfect for you. Okay, and this is such a college worthy bag. This is really good. I use this a lot. It also fits my tripod. I know, right? It fits a lot, and I love a bag that fits a lot. And guess the price, of course, it was just 200 or 300 rupees, and completely worth. The material is amazing. Not that kind of material which gets kharab easily. I don't know the English word of that. Suddenly, oh my god, what has happened to me? Anyway, so yeah, this was the last thing, and I'm super proud of buying this one, or super grateful. I don't know the correct word. Yeah, super grateful for this. And that is the vlog. Oh my god. And that is the video. So that was everything from my mini Meesho haul. There were good things, but there were a lot of bad things and things that I would not wear, which I should have returned. My fault. Nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you found something useful from this, and I hope I helped you save some money. And I hope I showed you some things that you can buy for cheaper from Meesho rather than buying it from some bigger brands. So yeah, let's end this video right here. I do not want to make it super long because I don't want you guys to get irritated by the dhol awaz which is outside. I am super sad that my videos are not getting much views lately because I went to the memory issues. I had to offload YouTube, and then I went on a vacation. I was not able to upload anything because there was no internet. Even though my videos were completely edited, I could not put them on YouTube at all. Instagram was taking more than half an hour or an hour to get uploaded. YouTube, there was no chance I could put the videos on YouTube at all. But I'm trying to make a comeback here. So please support this. Please like it, share it, comment on it. Let me know whatever you want. I know that a lot of you asked for, not lot, maybe 1 or 2 of you asked for the Meesho haul. So here it is. And I hope you enjoyed it. So I will see you in the next one. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, The Easy Closet. More fun things on the way. I hope this YouTube content creator journey is as enjoyable for you to watch as it is for me to record. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.